Join us today for a successful weight loss journey. Janet will give us important details.
Janet here of the Obesity Prevention Center. Our topic for today, the journey to weight loss success, an in-depth guide. Embarking on a journey to shed excess weight and enhance your overall health is a common aspiration, often met with hurdles that can hinder progress. If you find yourself grappling with these challenges, know that you're not alone. Achieving weight loss is undeniably demanding, but with the correct approach, it's entirely attainable. Within the pages of this comprehensive guide, you'll uncover a wealth of essential strategies, expert insights, and pragmatic advice, all designed to empower you on your quest for sustainable weight loss triumph. Recognizing the significance of weight loss. The implications of being overweight or obese extend far beyond mere appearance, encompassing nearly every facet of one's health. This heightened weight status raises the risk of chronic conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, among others. Even a modest reduction of 5 to 10% in body weight can exert a remarkable impact, substantially decreasing the likelihood of such diseases and fostering a heightened sense of well-being. Indeed, shedding excess weight is not solely about aesthetics. It translates into amplified vitality, increased capacity for physical activity, and diminished joint discomfort. Beyond the physical benefits, weight loss can uplift mood and bolster self-confidence. In spite of the allure of fad diets and quick fixes, the path to enduring weight loss requires a profound shift in lifestyle. It necessitates unwavering commitment and consistent dedication to effect transformative results. Armed with this guide, you'll be equipped with scientifically grounded strategies to shed pounds safely and ensure they remain at bay. Grasping the fundamentals of weight loss. Central to the pursuit of weight loss is a straightforward equation. The calories expended must surpass the calories consumed. This requisite calorie deficit can be established through dietary modifications, physical activity, or a harmonious blend of both. The mathematics behind this notion dictates that a pound of fat contains roughly 3,500 calories. To shed 1 pound per week, a daily calorie deficit of 500 calories is essential. This can be achieved by curtailing calorie intake, engaging in activities that burn an extra 500 calories daily, or striking a balance between dietary adjustments and exercise. Attaining a gradual weight reduction rate of 1 to 2 pounds weekly is widely acknowledged as a safe and sustainable approach. Swift weight loss beyond these bounds is not recommended. In navigating this journey, patience and consistency assume pivotal roles. While inevitable fluctuations may arise, unwavering focus on your objectives can furnish the resilience necessary to surmount challenges. Cultivating a constructive mindset and garnering support from loved ones further facilitates the journey's manageability. The influence of metabolism on weight loss. Metabolism epitomizes the intricate ensemble of chemical processes that transmute ingested sustenance into energy within the body. A swifter metabolism equates to an elevated caloric expenditure. Numerous factors contribute to the pace of one's metabolic rate, including age, body composition, and physical activity. Metabolism naturally decelerates with advancing age. The salient truth, however, is that despite the inalterable aspect of age, counteracting the metabolic slump via the cultivation of lean muscle mass and heightened physical engagement remains feasible. This synergistic effort endeavors to amplify the body's aptitude for calorie consumption. Tactics for long-term weight maintenance. Losing weight constitutes but the initial phase of the endeavor. The arduous task lies in sustaining the achieved weight loss. Herein lie a collection of pointers to secure the outcomes you've toiled for. Regularly weigh yourself. Embrace weekly monitoring of your weight, an approach that detects any nascent fluctuations, thereby permitting timely dietary and exercise adjustments to forestall considerable relapse. Set a maintenance calorie benchmark. Upholding the newfound weight necessitates a consumption of 10 to 15% fewer calories compared to the pre-weight loss intake. Persist with exercise. The preservation of a consistent exercise regimen upholds the incineration of supplementary calories with particular emphasis on resistance training. Prioritize adequate sleep. Slumber deficiency can disrupt hormonal equilibrium and metabolic function, potentially culminating in weight regain. Tackle stress. Elevated stress levels spur the secretion of cortisol, an hormone that begets augmented appetite and the accumulation of fat around the abdominal region. Given the possibility of a decelerated metabolism post-weight loss, adherence to a diminished caloric intake coupled with regular physical activities stands as a bulwark against weight reclamation. Unflagging vigilance remains the cornerstone. 6 fundamental strategies for achieving weight loss victory. A triumphant quest for weight loss and its enduring sustenance hinges upon the revamping of lifelong habits. The ensuing strategies, validated by the experiences of countless individuals, hold a promise of success. Their fruition calls for a blend of dedication and unwavering consistency, a formula primed to yield results for you as well. 1. Unearth your motivation. The crux of this endeavor lies in identifying a potent source of motivation underpinning your desire to shed weight. This driving force galvanizes your efforts and kindles your enthusiasm. Whether it's for health amelioration, the reacquisition of favored garments fit, or the yearning for heightened energy to engage with your children, articulating these rationales empowers you. Maintain an inventory of your motivations, revisiting it in moments demanding an additional push. Sharing your aspirations with those who champion your cause and steer clear of undermining your journey can be remarkably advantageous. Their unwavering support serves as a wellspring of motivation during periods of wavering resolve. Embrace a balanced, calorie-conscious diet. In the realm of weight loss, a balanced diet is the bedrock. It's imperative to understand that exercise alone can't counteract an imbalanced diet. Attaining weight loss necessitates a calculated reduction in caloric intake, translating to the elimination of roughly 500 calories daily, culminating in a loss of about 1 pound each week. The dietary paradigm necessitates the accentuation of lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Inversely, the curtailing of sugary beverages and prudent limits on refined carbs, fried edibles, and high-fat dairy is paramount. Portion control emerges as a tenet of profound significance. Striking the equilibrium between a caloric deficit and satiety can be achieved without succumbing to feelings of deprivation. By fashioning meals centered on nutrient-dense options and embracing hydration, you foster satiation within the confines of calorie moderation. Integrate physical activity. Elevating the weight loss trajectory is facilitated by the infusion of physical activity into your routine. Beyond caloric expenditure, exercise fosters muscle retention and invigorates metabolism. Targeting 150 minutes of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise on a weekly basis underscores an efficacious approach. Pairing this with bi-weekly strength training to nurture and construct calorie-consuming muscle substantiates this regimen. For newcomers to exercise, gradual initiation followed by incremental intensification is advised. Over time, diversification in the form of activities and intensity levels mitigates monotony. It's essential to locate physical undertakings that confer enjoyment, transforming exercise from an obligation into a gratifying endeavor. Cultivate a support ecosystem. Voyaging through weight loss unfailingly benefits from the presence of companions. The pursuit can be formidable when embarked upon solo. Recruiting friends, family, or colleagues to provide encouragement and accountability fundamentally alters the complexion of the journey. Engaging with groups united by parallel goals, either in the virtual realm or reality, nurtures shared experiences. These communal bonds act as a wellspring of motivation during taxing periods. However, discernment dictates limiting interaction with individuals who undermine your dedication or disparage your strides. Embrace mindful eating practices. The act of eating, often undertaken absent-mindedly or as a reaction to emotions, culminates in excessive consumption. The antidote lies in the cultivation of mindful eating habits. Rendering your undivided attention to the sensory facets of eating, its visual allure, aroma, texture, and taste, affords an avenue to combat heedless consumption. Eliminating electronic distractions and ingesting sustenance at a leisurely pace with an acute awareness of hunger cues proactively precludes overindulgence. Mindful snacking is a facet to be reckoned with as well. Evaluating genuine hunger prior to reaching for a snack and opting for healthful alternatives facilitate portion control. Heightened mindfulness concerning the what, when, why, and how much of your dietary choices lays the foundation for improved eating patterns. Monitor progress. Accountability and motivation interlace when the trajectory of weight loss is meticulously tracked. Regular weight assessments and, if preferred, body measurements engender a tangible sense of progress. Monitoring encompasses calories ingested, exercise sessions completed, water intake, and other pertinent metrics. These snapshots unveil trends, affirm efficacious strategies, and present avenues for modifications. Both digital applications and traditional journaling serve as effective tracking tools. The key to sustained consistency in utilizing the chosen methodology. Pointers for cultivating healthier dietary habits. The pivot towards healthier eating habits is a cornerstone of the weight loss journey and overall well-being. Adapting these simple dietary shifts can fuel a caloric deficit. Devote half of your plate to vegetables and fruits during each meal. These selections confer bulk with modest calorie content. Opt for lean proteins such as fish, poultry, legumes, eggs, and soy products more frequently than red meat. Embrace complex carbohydrates from whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread as alternatives to their refined counterparts. Replace sugary beverages with water, aiming for a daily intake of 64 ounces. Sparkling water can satiate the craving for sodas. Prioritize healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and nut butters, while moderating saturated fats. Elevate dishes with metabolism-stoking ingredients such as chili peppers, turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger. Weekend meal preparation furnishes a strategic advantage by cultivating an environment conducive to healthful eating throughout the week. With prepared meals and snacks readily available, last-minute suboptimal choices can be preempted. Upholding an exercise routine. The interplay of exercise and nourishment is pivotal in the pursuit of holistic weight loss. Abiding by these recommendations can help you adhere to an exercise regimen. Discover activities that resonate with you, diversifying workouts to stave off monotony. Be it walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, weightlifting, or participating in group classes, varying forms of movement are paramount. Allocate time for exercise akin to any vital appointment, resolutely shielding it from compromise. Infuse this commitment into your routine, making it non-negotiable. A workout companion reinforces accountability. Coordinated walks or exercise sessions with a friend reduce the likelihood of evasion. Sharing recipes and meal preparation ideas augments this synergy. The employment of a fitness tracker to monitor daily physical activity provides a tangible overview. This awareness is a potent motivation to sustain your regimen. Enroll in challenges, races, or competitions for an added motivational push. The presence of a looming event propels purposeful training. Conscientiously addressing soreness and injuries forestalls disruptions in your exercise trajectory. Employing proper strategies such as rest, icing, compression, and elevation for strained muscles is prudent. When in doubt, consulting a medical professional is judicious. The potency of optimistic thought, the outlook you adopt alongside your self-dialogue, exerts an undeniable influence on the journey's success. Nurture a positive perspective, for it catalyzes accomplishment. Subvert negativity, banishing doubts concerning your capabilities. Redirect your focus toward the myriad reasons propelling your pursuit of weight loss and enhanced well-being. Adversities encountered should not translate to self-condemnation. Instead, view these challenges as learning experiences. Seek insight from missteps and outline strategies to navigate back onto the path. Each day presents a fresh opportunity for advancement. Encompassing yourself with individuals exuding positivity, especially during trying junctures, yields an aura that can significantly elevate your resilience. Undoubtedly, weight loss mandates commitment and time. However, the harmonization of the right mindset, strategies, and tools paves the way for achievement. Armed with patience, unwavering dedication, and an investment in your well-being, you possess the capability to surmount your weight loss objectives. The journey commences now.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.